Mae chwaraewyr Cymru yn bwyta I frecwast, cinio a swper. Faint maen nhw'n cael bwyta, a pha treats mae Ramsey ac Ampadu a gweddill y criw yn hoffi ar ôl gema. Dwi wedi dod I weld Jodie Palmer, cogydd tîm pêl-droed Cymru I gael y gos I gyd am arferion bita'r tîm tra bod y bois yn ymarfer. Faint o fwyd sy'n rhaid chdi goginio mewn diwrnod arferol?
For breakfast we'll do 200 eggs in the morning.
200 o wya?
Yeah, I've had players that'll have 8 eggs in an omelette before, so it's
Wow.
a bit crazy, yeah.
Beth ydy'r brecwast arferol?
A lot of them will have an omelette made to order, so they could have spinach or onions or ham, lots of vegetables in there, grilled tomatoes, mushrooms, fresh fruit, different cereals, toast and that sort of thing.
Be ti'n goginio iddyn nhw cyn y gêm a be ti'n goginio iddyn nhw ar ôl y gêm?
Things like pasta, chicken, roast sweet potatoes, porridge, would you believe? Even at 8 o'clock at night we'd be giving porridge to the boys because it's a slow release of energy, so it keeps them going in games. After games, so we like to give them a bit of a treat, so things like burgers, curries, a couple of desserts maybe, but it's not often.
Pwy sydd ar dant mwyaf melys?
I would say Gareth and Wayne. They're always the first ones to ask what's on puddings.
Pwy sy'n hoffi bwyd anarferol?
I'd probably say Chris Gunter because everything he has has got chilli in or Tabasco over it. In the morning I make him scrambled eggs, loads of chillies, and then he'll put more Tabasco on the top, so that's his breakfast.
Os na rhywun yn ffysi?
The only fussy people are the staff, believe it or not. The players are really easy actually, to be honest.